I had no idea about what a professional artist meant. I drew everything that I wanted to. I used to go to a local person in Swansea who held painting classes when I was quite young, and copied all the most difficult reproductions. But I had no idea what the professional training of an artist meant.
What kind of career did you think you'd take up?
I wanted to be an engineer, you know, like most boys. And I was put to training as an electrical apprentice. And I was in this company, I think, for about 10 months or something like that. And it closed down because of a strike, I think. And then with local help and interest, I was told to go and see the principal of the local art school, who I knew nothing about, which I knew nothing about. And I was accepted for the local art school. And I stayed there for 3-4 years, I think.
And then you came
And then
to
I
London?
came to London.
To the Royal College of Art?
To the Royal College of Art.
What kind of world opened up to you when you came to London for the first time?
Well, a very confusing world, and a world which I felt very ignorant about. The students were from all over the country. They spoke a sort of a technical language which I didn't know very much about. The staff were very interesting, especially the principal, who was a very professional artist indeed, and who knew what was going on in Paris.